Welcome to DCR Systems. I'm Steve Barrett. Today I'd like to show you our newest product, the Wheel Repair Centre. Our Wheel Repair Centre is 9.7 metres long by 3 metres deep. That's 32 foot by 10 foot. It's a steel cladded box designed to be dropped in a car park and fully operational within 1 working day. This pod has dual doors to get the machines in. We have access windows with security shutters on the sides. Once they're closed up, you can leave it nice and secure. I'd like to show you inside. Welcome inside the Wheel Repair Centre. Once we're in here, you have our sandblasting cabinet, our H2O blaster, our DCR Pro, our heat and cure booth, and our Paintmatic. At the end, we have a preparation bench with our scales, storage, drawers, so everything can be tucked away nice and tidy. To talk in more detail, this is our sandblaster. It uses dry aluminium oxide, air, and this will take a wheel back to bare aluminium. Our H2O blaster has been designed to be a keying machine. It uses air, aluminium oxide, and water. Blasting the media at the wheel will give you a perfect keyed finish ready for the next step. Our aluminium spray system has an aluminium powder that goes into the top vat. This chamber then would heat up, and with air we would blow this at the wheel, and it's great for filling up those divots that you couldn't fill with any other compound. Once it's been cut in our DCR Pro, it's a near invisible repair. This is our DCR Pro. This is our wheel repair lathe that will take the damage out of any diamond cut wheel. Our heat and cure booth has been designed for heating the wheel, so if you're in a minus conditions and you need to get the temperature of the wheel correct before you paint it, we have our cabinet here. And at the top, you have the curing part. 2-inch thread lights, 15-minute cure time, which will then bake the paint. Our Paintmatic is in the centre. I call this the semi-automated wheel repair centre. The reason it's semi-automated, because we need a non-skilled technician to be able to paint your wheels. We have an option of having a manual spray booth if you want a cheaper version, or you have a technician that's skilled enough to paint wheels. This wheel repair centre also comes with ample storage for paint mixing, consumable storage, and trays for your tools and hand tools. This has been our Wheel Repair Centre, fully customisable. We can even do the delivery and the company details before we deliver. Thanks for watching. If you want to check the link below for more information, or look at www.dcrsystems.co.uk, or email us at hello@dcrsystems.co.uk. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.